Alright, what's that, boys? What's that, boys? What's that, boys? Okay. Sorry, boys. I was journaling really quick. And let me get this out of here really fast. I'm going to continue doing that later. Okay. Nice little backtesting session. Let's run it. We are now on December 2022. We halfway through the first year, boys. I'm hella excited. Probably going to take me a couple months to fully get through this this whole year. But that's what it takes, bros. So let's see December price action. And okay. Okay. Oh, yikes. Ooh, okay. I'd really just want to see a retrace here, low key. Yeah, this looks fucking ass, bruh. Okay, so we clearly have this 1 hour gap here. I can't move on. I can't move on, baby doll. Sorry. I'm low-key retarded, bruh. Let me just mark out. I'm gonna use this. Obviously, we're inside of this higher time frame gap, but I'm gonna mark out this one as well. Mark out this 1 hour gap or 4 hour gap. Whatever. Doesn't really matter. Oh, bruh. Got 4 bedrooms on that, John. And let's see what ES is looking like. Not great. Look, genuinely. We have this 30-minute gap. We do have like this 8 a.m. I'm assuming this is Newsweek. I'd really want to see a good retrace before we. I'm assuming that's Newsweek. Yeah, unemployment. Nice. Okay, so we do have data highs here. Let's see if we have like this hourly gap here. Not really. We do have this 30-minute that we are currently respecting. Same with ES. Holy shit. Okay. Might have put an SMT there. Yeah, so wait, did we sweep this? I don't think we did, look-key. We didn't sweep it. No way. We're just reacting off of this like rejection block 30-minute here. So first 5-minute candle. We also have this 5-minute gap here. Let's see what we want to do. Oh, okay. Wicked data highs. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I guess that would have been the trade here. I don't like that we didn't sweep liquidity. However, like, I'm sure we had, yeah, we had instant 932. We manipulated, open, manipulated, then we got an instant inversion here. And you could have ran this bitch all the way to data highs, bro. All the way to data highs, bro. That's crazy. You could have got like a 3RR on this bitch. Damn near. But I'm not. With these Ugo lows, I probably wouldn't do some shit like that. Especially, like, we have this 4 hour, 30-minute. Honestly, that was low-key free. That was just the craziest patty swing I've ever seen in my life, though. I can't lie. In terms of draws higher, though, there's really nothing, bruh. Like, genuinely. You have these accumulation zone hourly highs all the way over here. But that's, like, hella far away. Yeah, that's genuinely mad far away. 170 points away, so. And then you even could have caught it. Well, no, I don't really trade like that, though. Holy shit. We've had to have opened a 15-minute now. And this day's looking like shit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna just go to the next day. Because I'm not gonna lie, like, we're not going to just continue. Like, we're not just gonna just dump like that, bro. But it's cool. Okay, we are inside of this big ass daily gap. we've swept out previous week high and low. So we're kind of just operating in this little range here. Also, we've had a nice retrace. CE is holding price. Inside of this 30-minute gap as well. This does not look great, low key. Liquidity pools are so ass. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really just praying for this hourly to get opened at, and then we can target that. Okay, that's really just what I'm praying for. Nice. We have this 5-minute. We do have a 15-minute right here that's gonna get opened. It's gonna get opened. Ugh. I don't like those text messages, bro. Don't text me shit like that. Oh God. Hey, whoever's watching this, bitch, you a goat. On God, I fucking love you. If you have any questions, drop them bitches in the comment section. Or whatever it's called. Chat. So, that's really what I'm hoping for. If 10 a.m. doesn't open this 1 hour and we can't get, like... Because we're obviously very strongly rejecting this daily gap. But it just doesn't look good right now. We're creating this BPR. I don't like it, but... We go see. We open this new 15-minute here at 9:45. So I'm kind of just hoping we can do something with that. Low key. Okay, now we've opened this 15-minute. I'd really like us to drop into this 15-minute, and then get a trade higher once we open this hourly gap, 10 a.m. That'd be a good trade, especially with the reaction off of this. Like, if you look on the 4-hour chart, the reaction off of this gap is fucking beautiful. So that's kind of what I'd be looking for here. Nice. Okay, we tapped the 15-minute. This hourly opens in literally 5 minutes. We have generated liquidity. We've tapped into this 15-minute. Let's see if we have, like, I just don't like how we're inside of this huge 30-minute gap. But the liquidity pools are obviously higher, right? We're rejecting off this gap. Abundance of DOLs is above. We have this accumulation above. So that's really the only thing I'd want to see at this current point. Not gonna lie. Really don't even have an inversion. So let's just wait for 10 a.m. Maybe we can get like a resweep. Okay, 10 a.m. is opened. We've now opened this 1 hour gap here. So this would honestly be extremely free. Except there's just no... Oh, I guess there is, honestly. We did get this tiny-ass inversion. But, like I always say, when you gotta zoom in on the inversion like this, it's just not the greatest. And when we got this close, this wasn't even open yet. So you're kind of just trading to nothing. You know what I mean? Like, your target doesn't even exist yet. You know? So, I bet this will bank low-key. Bruh. I bet this will bank low-key, but, I mean... The target didn't even exist when it was there. So unless you can get a resweep, I mean, I never take this. I'm just marking it out for the sake of marking it out, but we can see. If we can get a resweep though, that'd be fucking trim. Let's see if we have open like a 5-minute here. We do have this 5-minute that we are holding. Oh, peak, bro. I didn't even see this. Yo, I'm actually retarded as fuck. Holy shit. I bet we've opened a new leg and got a new IFEG now. However, we do have generated LR. We do have generated liquidity at our stop. But now we actually get a better... Because if you really think about it, we have this 5-minute rejection block that's also protected by this 15-minute. Like, price is extremely bullish right now. You can see it. Like, if we do want to continue bearish, if we do want to continue high time frame bearish, right? Or even, you know, at this point, I mean, higher time frame... Yeah, higher time frame definitely looks more bearish. But to me... I'd assume higher time frame is more bullish. We want to come take out this accumulations on liquidity above, higher time frame market maker buy model, tapped in this 4 hour, and we're fucking ripping, holding CE of the daily gap as well. So we do have this 5-minute rejection block that we've tapped back into, and then we have this 1-minute inversion. So it's also just a tiny ass IFEG, but I bet this will definitely play out. Not something I'd low-key take, but damn, looks like I'm gonna have to put my stop like here. But yeah, it just fucking rips, bruh. But it's something I just want to take because you very well could have just got slapped at break even, or not even break even. You could have got insta fucking just trolled with this, but it's cool. It's cool. We could honestly, I honestly don't think a short lower here would be too great at this timing point. I don't want to see it like targeting back up here, but that's just my narrative, low key. We have 15-minute gap. I hate taking trades off 5-minute gaps because now like kind of rejecting off this 30-minute. Not liking that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just go to the next day. It's 10:55 anyway. I'm going to the next day. Fuck it. Maybe I'm just too picky with trades, bro. I really couldn't care though. Fat daily rejection block. Let me not talk about rejection blocks. Let me just talk about shit everyone knows. I think people know rejection blocks, but what is this? I don't know what wick that is. We have like a 15-minute somewhere. We have this 15-minute. We've closed through it though. Yikes. No 4-hour, no nothing. So we're gonna have to pray for a 15-minute getting opened here. We are very bearish though. It looks like we have yeah, we do have a 30-minute here. So, and then we have this like very obvious liquidity pool here. Very obvious sell side here. If we do want to be bearish, I target this. If we don't want to be bearish, I target like up here somewhere. We do have this data wick from the previous day. Or I don't, honestly, this is at 3 o'clock. This could be a data wick, but it also could not be. 15-minute gap here. I want to see this get tapped into and then a clear trade to sell side. Nice. We've opened a 5-minute gap now though. Not a fan of that, but if we do inverse this though, we could definitely target like this LR up here. You know what I mean? So, okay, we'll just see, bro. Yep, we have inversed this 15-minute. I definitely would be wanting to look, unless you just wanted to get the deeper reach, sweeping liquidity in this 30-minute and then get reaction off of that. That would be chill too, but we're also going to open a 15-minute here at 10 a.m. Okay, so if we tap into this 5, if we hold. Holy shit, bruh. What the fuck? Yo. Ooh, and we closed. Oh, no way. Hold up. I got to go back, bruh. Because low-key, yeah. So right here, look at this. Bro, we closed beneath both 30-minute gaps. We have dog shit manipulation, though. A 5-minute right here. And by the time this 5-minute closes, we already take the DOL. So, damn, really, honestly, no trading opportunities. No good IFEG besides the 5-minute. And we close to the 5-minute and completely take our sell side. Okay. Nice. Nice. Now, we do have draws lower. Like, we have this draw here as well. So, maybe that's something we could look forward to. But let's just see. Definitely an SMT in that 5-minute. Yeah, how'd I know? Don't ask me. Also, we have like 10 a.m. low here as well. So I'd probably just target that low key. However, we have kind of just dumped. I would like to see better. Like, we did get pretty good manipulation off that first trade to take out that sell side liquidity. But I don't really... I probably want to target something like that at real markets. We do have the SMT there. We do get this immediate, what, 2-minute? Ooh, we do get this 2-minute. We're open, 9:30 opens a 15-minute, but that is also 15 minutes away. This very, very chill 2-minute IFEG here. I think the SMT kind of makes it better. Okay. Ooh, we also have a fat 15-minute all the way up here, though, too. Do we have a higher time frame draw up here? The market's like damn near gonna have to go down there, but clean 2-minute. I probably wouldn't take this either. I just don't like we have 30-minute. It's just no hourly, and we're taking it off of 5-minute. I just don't know. I mean, it's probably just a super free trade. Nah, you got stopped out, bet. Okay, but now we actually have. So now we gotta resweep into this 5-minute. So low key, this may be trim. No way, bruh. Damn. And then that took our DOL as well. You could have taken this. Because it's pretty clear we're going to take this sell side before that, but. Damn, that is hecka rough, bro. Damn. Okay, just another trade I miss again, bruh. And I'm sure after that, there's probably nothing. Okay, we retrace into this 15-minute. Nice sell. I mean, we've already distributed hella, bro. I'm not going to try to catch a redistribution off some bullshit like this, bro. We have tapped into this 15-minute, though. If we do want to continue being, like, bearish here, this is... We inverse this. That just looks like ass, bro. Not high time for middle leg. And now we just start going, and now it's 11. Okay, perfect. Perfecto. Pura vida. Okay. For the right price. Okay, now, oh, this looks nice. Relative equal lows right here, next to this sell side. Fat ass wick, nice liquidity pool. I'm gonna use the pisser really fast. I'll be right back. Which is also previous day low, chilling right here. This is hella sauce. Reacting off of this 4-hour gap. This is so peak. This actually might just be a free ass day. And plus we also have a sweep into the 4-hour, which could be our external manipulation. To then get that distribution lower. I'll be right back really quick though, guys. I'm gonna use the bathroom. For the right price, these are taco slice. Slice, yo. For the right price. For BGLEDRAC, you better talk to me nice. BGLEDRAC, you better talk to me nice. Okay. Wow, that is insane, bruh. I didn't watch this shit. The fuck? No, all right. I didn't watch that shit. All right, whatever. Doesn't matter. 15 minutes continuing to hold price. This is looking very nice. Look at this fucking just liquidity just waiting for us, bruh. Oh my god. Okay, 15 minutes continuing to hold price. Let's see what we do. Oh, okay, we are just fucking the bed right now, so. Damn. That's tough. Let me just rip through our draws. Damn. Rip through our draws. Yo, shutty, what? I mean, you could have, like, did some real bullshit like this or something, but you're getting such a butt-ass risk to reward. This is super fucking obvious, though, but... Yeah. Okay, well, let's just see what we do now. Damn. Sell-side targets are kind of ass now, but now you have also tapped into this bullish discounted 4-hour. Yeah, whoever keeps leaving and joining, genuinely, fuck you, bruh. On God, you ain't even real. See it. On God. He's a bitch. On God. We do have hella generated liquidity though. Oh, we're nice, and we're just gonna fucking dump to the floor, bruh. God damn. Nice. This 1 hour candle is closed at CE. Nice, boy. Bruh, this is so gay. Damn. Damn. Just got your shit ran through. Alright, it's 10:40. I'm gonna just go to the next day, bro. This shit looks like ass, bro. I can't even lie. We're now in this super high time frame gap. You have this 4 hour above here. Just getting no trades, super tough, but this is trading, bro, genuinely, so. Let's have this 15-minute here. London session manipulation. We have this 1 hour gap we're about to close through. Also have this super clear buy side up here. Super obvious buy side. We're inversing 1 hour gaps. I'm just looking for a pullback at this point. Nice. Wicked our liquidity. Fire. Damn, bro. Alright, well. That liquidity pool is now gone. I also have this hourly gap here. I'm going to just mark this out as well. For the right price, get your taco slice. Yeah. Super rejection. Oh, wow. No, we're closing below these 1 hours. Generated liquidity below. $30-minute gap here. This may be a decent mech here or something. Oh, damn. Okay, we've tapped into this 30-minute. See what we want to do with that. Still projecting pretty bullish off of these lows. I don't like this candle. We didn't close through this. We're not even getting any gaps. Yeah, this big ass box is fucking killing me, bro. Get this shit out of my face, bro. Oh god. Like dead ass, bro. Fuck are we doing? Nice. Yeah, I fucking hate 5-minute IFEGs, bro. I can't lie. Could just go for like the 1-to-1 here, though. Wow. Psh. Wow, so it didn't even fucking close, bro. Awesome. Awesome. We have a 5-minute here as well. Bruh. this IFEG here, but I'd be like, Holy fucking moly, bruh. We're just getting actually raped. Changing the state, and I bet we just run. Dude, this PA is genuinely, like, making me die. Probably could have had the 1-to-1 here. Yeah, definitely would have ripped your shit. Nice, easy 1-to-1 there. These generated highs, though. Yeah, 15-minute just chop, bro. I'm not trading this bullshit. And it's 10:38. Yeah, fuck all this, bro. Four hour above. 4 hour above. Bet there's a 30-minute, yep. This 30-minute gap here, relative equal highs right here. Oh, we have swept these out. But still good liquidity pool here. You can see. Yeah, it is swept liquidity in a gap as well, I believe. Yeah, damn. It's all good though. Holy shit. God damn. Okay, we've now waked into this 1 hour gap here. BGLEDRACU Bartatami, nice. We've opened this fat ass 5-minute though. Holy shit. Do this 1 hour here. This will open at 10:15. Actually could be a really good target now, honestly. In all honesty, it really could. Yeah, this 15-minute, I'd like to see us come back into this. If we don't come back into this 15-minute, we'll just see the reaction off the 5. Wow. Yeah, there's no way we don't fucking hit this. We could get a mech though. It's also 1 fucking 40. Dude, are we dead ass, bro? No fucking way. We inversed the 5-minute and then ripped higher with no fucking retrace into this 15-minute. But I guess this hourly is all we needed. I guess it's just all I wanted to do. Did get this very clean, like here, and you could have rode that up, but the rejection off the hourly, yeah, it's pretty smooth, but there's also, you're also inside of a, yeah, like look at this, bro, this is insane. Very clear, AMD apparent, very, very clear. You could have took this 5-minute. But like, look at this shit, bro. We just don't hit it. Dude, no fucking way we don't hit this 4 hour. Oh my god. Fucking finally, bruh. Bro, there's genuinely no way. You hit it at fucking 1 o'clock. Holy actual chop, bruh. Yo, that's genuinely just ridiculous, bro. What the fuck are we doing? All right, this is the last day I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna go ahead and hop off here. I'm taking my sweet ass to bed. On God, I gotta get up, go to the fucking gym tomorrow. I get to wake up and go to the gym tomorrow, so I'm genuinely happy as fuck. Yeah, okay. This is the last day I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna hop the fuck off here, bruh. Hey, shout out to 2 viewers. On God, shout them out. I smacked it. Wait, what the fuck did he say? I smacked it and took it to the floor. I smacked it and took it to the floor. Ooh, inside of 2 high time frame gaps. Yikes. This is the most recent one though, this 4-hour gap here. Swept liquidity inside of this 4-hour gap. Very apparent. If we have good DOLs of higher, it could be very, very, very nice. Night. Bro, what is up with December and these fucking gaps everywhere? Hold up. I gotta do something special here. Genuinely retarded, bro. Let's just see how we open. Have we tapped the 30 minute? We have, okay. Instant tap the 30 minute. Looks like data low and then data high. So I'm looking for trade to one of these levels. That's all I'm looking for. Either us to disrespect or you know, we have this 30 minute gap here. Get this 1 minute inversion off a 30 minute. How are we reacting off of that? Very strongly. But the reaction off the 4 hour is just nuts. I don't know, bruh. I just want to wait for a better confirm. Now maybe we got a trade here. We get a higher retrace. We're respecting CE. Doesn't honestly look like a bad trade. This IFEG here, I don't think this is going to run our lows, though, to be honest. I don't know if this will run our data lows, low-key. I can't lie. Stop here. You go break even at this, like, 930 wick here. I could honestly just TP. I'll just take the 1-to-1, low-key. I smart at the floor. Jennifer, I do you black. Heat them up, leave them roasted, y'all. Wow, we just rip through it. 10:30. We're still struggling to hit this 30 minute, and we've also not opened. Maybe on ES we've opened a 15 minute. We did. We opened this 15 minute here, but I don't really care, bro. I'd rather just do it on ES, bro. Genuinely. Bro, and it's dead ass 10:55. Hold up. Bro, genuinely no way right now. Get this 5-minute inversion. No way this plays out. 1-to-1 might bank though. Bro, these conditions are so ass. Bro, I haven't taken a trade this whole time, bro. What the fuck? I'm gonna do one more day. Because what the fuck? Genuinely, bruh. What the fuck are we doing, bruh? Okay, free 1 hour. I'm like, what the fuck are we doing, bruh? Dead ass, like, what the fuck are we doing, bruh? Relative equal highs up here. We haven't swept this. Oh, we actually have W. We have this wick, though. It's still the news wick from yesterday. Yeah. This data high. Want to see good reaction off of this. Or just fucking shit the bed, I guess. Bro, like, price action is being actually so fucking gay. There we fucking go, bruh. Now this is a good, okay, now this looks fucking Peakington. We've swept liquidity. Let's tell me we're holding like an hourly gap down here. Oh my god, we're holding this hourly gap and we closed above this hourly gap. Nah, this 5-minute IFVG is about to print on God. Genuinely so free. Why do I have to get this entry, bruh? I don't like bro, let me see the 945 fucking candle, bruh. Like, what the fuck are we doing? Bro, I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking crash out. Like, dead ass. Why am I getting this butt ass fill? I want my fill here, bruh. Nah, there's no way we don't run these data highs, bruh. Genuinely no way. I'll just get myself a better stop. Like, put my shit like down here. I schmatter to out the floor. Jennifer, I do it black. Heat him up, leave him toasty. She gonna ride a roller coaster. Bro, are we dead ass, bruh? The most beautiful trade I've ever seen in my life goes straight to fucking stop loss. Bruh, genuinely no fucking way right now, bruh. Genuinely no fucking way, bruh. Like, dead ass, bro. Are we fucking serious? What the fuck is this price action, bro? Now it's 10:50. We have a fucking resweep in the 1 hour. Oh no, look at that. We've closed through it. And now it's 11 a.m. Bruh. Oh my fucking god. What a dog shit ass day. Oh my god. That's probably the worst fucking trading like I've ever seen in my life. Then we get the god tier CISD with the IFEG. And it fucking melts my stop. It melts my stop, bro. What is that? I ripped this bitch. Clean ass trade, bruh. What are we what are we doing, bro? Are we serious, bruh? I'm gonna literally crash the fuck out. On God, tomorrow I'm blowing all my fundings. On God, I swear to God. Bro, what the fuck is this? We got, bruh. We got 13 ticks in fucking profit. 13 ticks in profit to reject this 4-minute gap and just dump lower. What the fuck? Look at this generated highs above with a data high DOL. What the fuck?